Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's the bonus upload. It's Tuesday. I figured I'd add another one in here. This is a really easy Parmesan coated taco. So for today, we have this wheat taco. You can see the color in there. We have iceberg lettuce. We have tomato. And we're going to use this to put the Parmesan on top. So this is still a simple recipe. You can make this anywhere. If you can't find this in your country or in your state in America or in Canada, just look for something that's similar to that. So we're going to be using avocado oil. And in this pan we have chicken, garlic, and parsley. So the thing we're going to do is put this on low and take your spoon and just mix this about. So you just want to warm that, and we're going to get started on just put it on these toppings on the bottom, because when we add this, we're going to put this in a bag and smash it, and then we're going to coat the top. But for that, we're going to want this warm. So just warm that, and then we'll go to the toppings. Alright, so we're going to take this iceberg lettuce and just spread that about. You should be seeing this in 4K today. So I'm coming to you in 4K and POV. So the thing you're going to want to do is add your tomatoes. But this thing's going to be so good with the parsley and the garlic. You really don't need a bottom layer to this taco. But if you thought of something else, go ahead and use it. So the thing we're going to do is we're going to put these things aside. We got that. And just keep stirring this. Keep it on low. When we have to, we'll turn it up to medium or high. And the thing we're going to do is we're going to open one of these and we're going to put it in a bag and smash it. Alright, YouTube, so here's those crackers. We're going to put these in a bag and we're going to smash them to make crumbs. And then the thing is, when that chicken mixture is done, we'll put that on top and we'll sprinkle all these crackers on there. And another thing is, we're going to add some all-purpose seasoning to this. And thing you're going to want to do is mix this about and still keep it on low. When the time comes, we will definitely put it on high and get it really warm. Alright, YouTube, so that continues to cook. And there's the avocado oil in there. You want to mix this about so the avocado oil coats the chicken and the ingredients. Now we have those crackers in the Ziploc bag. So, see that? Just start smashing it. And you want to try to make this as fine as you can. But it's still your preference. If you want bigger chunks, you can. But try to get this really fine. Alright, YouTube. So, see? We got that crumbs. And we're going to put that in a little container so it's easier just to pour on top. If you had like a meat tenderizer, you could smash that. But, we're almost ready for the taco. Alright, YouTube, so we have those crumbs there. Look what the topping that makes. Beautiful. So the thing is now, pick the stove up to medium, maybe high. Get a really good heat to this. Because when we get heat to that, we're going to put this on top. And then we're going to sprinkle it. And you got that Parmesan coated chicken taco. You see how this is sizzling? This is perfect. Just keep mixing that about, and in about 30 seconds, we'll turn the heat off, and we'll put some on top of the taco, and then we'll throw that Parmesan coated on there. And this is a simple recipe where you can make it in any country, at any time, and in any place, and it's very simple to make. Alright, YouTube, so that is done. Start taking this and put it in aside. Thanks for being here Tuesday. Like I said, tomorrow will be the tilapia fish taco. That thing was unbelievable. And I got another Cheese Whiz cheesesteak taco coming in the future. So just put on the amount of this chicken you want, and then we'll top it. Alright YouTube, so we have that there. Now we're going to take this topping and just sprinkle that about. And that's going to add a really good texture. So there's your Parmesan coated chicken with fresh vegetables from the garden. So that's the thing with tacos. The thing is endless. So you be safe. This is a simple recipe. The light is so bad in here today. It's bright. So you be safe and talk to you later. Peace. Love you. Bye.